So here we are in the marriage ceremony of mine and Anusha. So
Today is the day that I met him in 2014, right in front of Manyata Tech Park, 20 January 2014, and I'm getting married right after 6 years I met him. So 20 January 2020, it's very special for me.
ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ನೀವು ದಂಪತಿಗಳು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ ದಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ನೀವು ಹ್ಞೂ ಅಂತಾದರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ತಿರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ 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 ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಯಾತಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಗತ್ತ. ಕನ್ಯಾ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಸಾಲಂಕಾರ.
Take me there, I know this journey ends. Awake me up, I need to breathe again. I need a breathe again. Sita
ನನ್ನ ಮಗನ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಒಂದು ನಮಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂತೋಷ ಎರಡೂ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನನ್ನ ಸೊಸೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಖುಷಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಸೊಸೆ ಇದ್ದು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳ ಆಸೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹುಡುಗಿನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಸಂತೋಷ. ಅವಳು ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಭಾಗ್ಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನಮ್ಮಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆ ದೇವರನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ.
மதுரை மடியினில் ராதா ரகசியம், மதுரை மடியினில் ராதா ரகசியம், காதல் கண்ணனில் ராதா ரகசியம், ராதா ரகசியம், மதுரை மடியினில் ராதா ரகசியம், மதுரை மடியினில் ராதா ரகசியம், காதல் கண்ணனில் ராதா ரகசியம்.
Really, today is a great day for me, as my beloved son Manoj is marrying a lovely girl Anusha, whom he loves most. I hope she makes a perfect match to my son.
ராதா ரகசியம், மதுரை மடியினில் ராதா ரகசியம், மதுரை மடி.
నమస్కారము. మా కూతురు అనూష పెళ్లి మనోజ్ కేశవ ప్రకాష్ వర్గుతో బెంగళూరులో కర్ణాటక జైన్ మందిరంలో 20 జనవరి 2020లో జరుగుతున్నది. నా యొక్క ఆశీర్వాదాలు మరియు సుఖజీవనం సాగించాలని ఆ దేవుణ్ణి ప్రార్థించుచున్నాను.
இதும் கடந்து வாழ வேண்டும், உடல் உயிர் உன் மனம், மனம் அடைந்து வாழ வேண்டும். நான் என்றும் நல்வாழ்வு நினைக்கும் என் மனம்.
Hi, this is Jairam. I love my daughter Anusha and she loves me a lot. My daughter, she is very dedicated and she want to achieve her goals in her life. I wish her all the best to achieve her goals in the life and she leads a very happy life. Regarding Manoj, he is a very nice gentleman and intelligent and very God has given him a very good patience. And I wish both Anusha and Manoj to lead a very happy married life.
Take me there, I know this journey ends. Awake me up,
are done with the wedding, I just wanted to say one thing regarding why I married Anusha, or so I call her Anu. The main reason for me falling in love with her was her confidence towards life and also being ambitious about what to achieve and wanting to achieve. So I'm very happy for getting married to Anusha and wanting to lead my life with her. I hope my life will be very interesting. I don't think it will be a roller coaster, but also a very smooth ride. And I can also have a roller coaster with her because she is in the driving seat, so I don't mind giving her the driving steering. So I really like and love, I would like to say, like, I love her to the moon and back. And I love you loads, and lots of kisses from me to her.
So 6 years journey is very, very a kind of I won't say it is a fantasy land, but it has been very nice companionship throughout. Dynamic personality, the way he carries himself in front of probably anybody. I can say probably tomorrow president stands right in front of him. He just carries himself the way he is. So he doesn't put up a different face or different personality, something like this. So that's the thing I loved about him. And the third thing is he's very, very caring. He might be boring, but he's extremely caring because he shows his care in very minute things and very small things. That makes me very happy. And that's what I think that this married life would take me longer. He just accepts what Anusha is. He doesn't want, Anusha, you have to adjust this way, I am this way. So something, not something like this. That's the purest form that I like about him. Last but not the least, I can say I've got the gem. I would like to preserve it forever.
ಇವತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕಂದು ಫೈನಲಿ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಫಾರ್ ಹರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವಳು ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಥರನೇ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಬಬ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕನ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಥರ ಭಾವ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಎಂಡ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್. ಅಕ್ಕ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಭಾವ, ಆಲ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಲೈಫ್.
Hey Manoj.
Hi Manoj.
Hello Manoj. Firstly, congratulations. Firstly, I would tell Anusha is the best choice you could ever get because for whatever bossism you have, she's the only person who can handle this and she's the perfect choice for you.
And I have never seen Manoj like this. Seriously. Seriously. All the time he was bossing around with everyone. Now we are so happy that Anusha is there.
We're like finally someone's bossing over him.
We all wish him a very happy married life, and I guess both will be a very good pair. They are like made for each other. Hope they all carry their life in the same smooth ride. And once again, congrats.
Manoj is a very warm personality, just like Anusha has told. She has a very clear way of thinking. She knows what she wants in life and she goes and gets it. I wish them all the luck, all the happiness in this world. May you guys get everything that you want in your life. And I hope that our friendship stays this strong forever. Love you guys.
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮನೋಜ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅನುಷಾ ನನಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತ ಶಕ 2015ರಿಂದ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು, ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ.
ಇಬ್ಬರು 100 ಕಾಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಲಿ. ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿನೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜನ, ಅವ್ರ ತಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜನ ಆಗಿರೋದು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ. ನಾವು ಹುಡುಕಿದ್ರು ಈ ಥರ ಸಿಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪುಣ್ಯ. ಇಬ್ಬರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲಿ ಅಂತ ದೇವರನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ.
I wish a very, very happy married life to both of them. And I also hope their married life will be very, very successful.
you.